Hello everyone, and welcome to this tutorial on how to add decimal minutes to time in Excel. Whether you're tracking work hours, scheduling tasks, or managing project timelines, this technique is incredibly useful for handling time-based calculations. Today, we'll explore how to convert decimal minutes into time format and add them to a given time. By the end of this video, you'll be able to perform these calculations with ease. Let's dive in. Before we jump into the calculations, let's understand what decimal minutes are and how Excel handles time. Decimal minutes. These are minutes expressed as a decimal number. For example, 1.5 minutes means 1 minute and 30 seconds. Time in Excel. Excel stores time as a fraction of a day. For example, 12 p.m. is stored as 0.5 half of a day. To add decimal minutes to a time value, we need to convert the decimal minutes into Excel's time format. This involves dividing the decimal minutes by 1440, which is the total number of minutes in a day. 24 hours times 60 minutes. Let's work through a practical example. Imagine you're managing a project schedule, and you need to add decimal minutes to specific task start times. Here's the data we'll use. Here's how to calculate the end time for each task by adding the decimal minutes to the start time. Divide the decimal minutes by 1440 to convert them into Excel's time format. For task A, equals 15.5 divided by 1440. For task B, equals 45.25 divided by 1440. For task C, equals 90.75 divided by 1440. Use the plus operator to add the converted time to the start time. For task A equals B to plus C to divided by 1440. For task B, equals B3 plus C3 divided by 1440. For task C, equals B4 plus C4 divided by 1440. Here's the output. Let's break this down. For task A, 15.5 minutes is equivalent to 15 minutes and 30 seconds. Adding this to 9 a.m. gives us 9 hours 15 minutes and 30 seconds a.m. For task B, 45.25 minutes is equivalent to 45 minutes and 15 seconds. Adding this to 10:30 a.m. gives us 11 hours 15 minutes and 15 seconds a.m. For task C, 90.75 minutes is equivalent to 1 hour, 30 minutes, and 45 seconds. Adding this to 1 p.m. gives us 2 hours 30 minutes and 45 seconds p.m. This technique is incredibly useful for anyone who works with time-based data. Whether you're managing project schedules, tracking work hours, or planning events, being able to add decimal minutes to time values in Excel can save you a lot of time and effort. It's a simple yet powerful way to handle time calculations with precision. And that's a wrap. In this video, we explored how to add decimal minutes to time in Excel. We started with a basic example, walked through the steps to convert decimal minutes into time format, and applied the technique to a more advanced scenario. Whether you're a beginner or an experienced Excel user, this skill will help you manage time-based data more effectively. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more Excel tips and tricks. Thanks for watching.